In sunny Brazil, Joshua, passing by, noticed a dying bird on the side of the road and decided to help it. He stopped to see what was wrong with it. At first, he thought it had been run over, but the Anu-Petro breed bird turned out to be alive.
Bem que você poderia viver, hein? Vamos ver, se você não me picar eu, tá bom.
Just feeling very ill, and the young man decided to help it so it wouldn't die. He carefully picked it up and carried it a bit away from the road, placing it on a wooden board.
Isso. Fica bem, meu lindo.
Assuming the bird had suffered a heat stroke and fallen from a height, he decided to douse it with water and give it a drink. Joshua poured some water into a bottle cap and began to gently pour it into the bird's beak. The bird, though weak, tried to swallow every drop Joshua gave it. He noticed how, with each passing minute, its breathing became steadier and its gaze clearer. Gradually, its feathers began to gleam in the sun, and a sparkle of life appeared in its eyes. After some time, the bird was able to stand on its feet and felt much better. It sat for a few more minutes on the board, and as Joshua turned away, flew off. If not for Joshua, the bird would most likely have died. Be kinder and help our younger brothers, and the world will thank you.